How to create a news story. First, ensure you've navigated to the admin screens by adding /admin to the end of your site URL. Under the Manage category, select News Stories. Open the cog menu and select New. Type in your story's title, a teaser, and the body of the story. The Story text editor has several functions available to let you edit and customize your story. The bottom row allows you to bold, italicize, strike through, remove formatting, create numbered or bulleted lists, change indentation, add quotes, and change the styles, fonts, or sizes of your text. The top row allows you to cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, link, unlink, anchor, add images, insert horizontal lines, or maximize the text editor. Use the text editor to format your story however you'd like. To add an image to your story, click the Image button, paste a link to the desired image in the URL field, and click OK. When you're finished making changes, click Create News Story. You can see what your news story will look like on your website by opening the cog menu and clicking Preview. If you want to make any changes to your story, open the cog menu and click Edit. Make any desired changes and click Update News Story to save them. To change who will be able to view your news story, open the cog menu again and select Security. Click Public to make the story viewable by anyone, Private to make it viewable by most users, or choose specific roles only. To save your choice, click Update News Story. When you're ready to publish your story, open the cog menu and click Publish. Click to choose the date and time that you'd like the story to be published and expire if ever. Then click Submit. Finally, if you want to remove your news story, open the cog menu and select Unpublish, Archive, or Delete. Click OK and your news story is deleted.